हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू सर्विसेज क्लासेस। मेरा नाम अश्मिता है और आज की क्लास में हम लोग चेन्नई मैथमेटिकल इंस्टीट्यूट में आप लोगों को कैसे एडमिशन लेना है, कैसा प्रोसीडियर है, किस तरह से आपको एंट्रेंस एग्जाम क्रैक करना है, इन सभी को लेके थोड़ा सा डिटेल्स में डिस्कशन करेंगे। तो लेट मी टेल यू अबाउट चेन्नई मैथमेटिकल इंस्टीट्यूट फर्स्ट. What institute is that? How can you enter into that institute? What admission procedure you have to follow? Chennai Mathematical Institute, that is CMI, is a research and education institute in Chennai, which is in India. It was founded by the SPIC Science Foundation in 1989 and it offers undergraduate as well as postgraduate programs in physics, mathematics, computer science. Besides its key strength in the form of high-end research in mathematics. Now, the most important strength or the key strength of this institute is its high-end research in mathematics. Now, CMI is noted for its research in the field of algebraic geometry, particularly in the area of moduli of bundles. Now, let us talk about the admission criteria. Now, the entrance of each of the courses provided here is based on a nationwide entrance test. The advertisement for this entrance test appears around the end of February or at the beginning of March. Now, this entrance test is held in the end of May and is usually scheduled so as not to clash with the major entrance examinations. Results are given to students by the end of June. Now, students who have appeared in the Indian National Mathematics Olympiad get direct admission to the program of BSc Honours in Mathematics and Computer Science. And those who have passed the Indian National Physics Olympiad are offered direct entry to the BSc Honours in Physics program. However, these students are also advised to fill in and send the application form sometimes in March. Students who pass the Indian National Olympiad in Informatics may be granted admission to BSc Honours in Mathematics and Computer Science program. Admission is not guaranteed but is decided on a case-by-case basis by the admissions committee. So, students who have to give this entrance examination need to prepare a lot. बिकॉज कंपटीशन बहुत ज़्यादा है, बहुत सारे कैंडिडेट्स इस यूनिवर्सिटी में हर साल अप्लाई करना चाहते हैं. सो यू हैव टू बी दैट स्पेशल वन हु गेट द चांस to study in this university. So for that you need a better strategic planned preparation. For that you need a mentor and a coach. और हम सर्विसेज क्लासेस में वही बेटर मेंटर एंड बेटर कोच प्रोवाइड करेंगे. हमारे यहाँ पे रेगुलर क्लासेस होता है, ऑनलाइन ऑफलाइन क्लासेस, डाउट क्लियरिंग क्लासेस, crash course facilities, and we also provide you with solved study materials. We solve the previous year's question papers, unsolved papers and the sample papers. We provide you with crash course facilities along with scholarship facilities. Revision classes are there, mock test facilities are there. So if you want to get all the benefits, then do check the description box below. There you will get the contact numbers of our institution. You can contact us, you can join us, and you can get the benefit of our teachers. Now we provide the enrolled candidates with the 24/7 recorded lectures portal access. That is, we have already put the live lectures in a recorded format in the portal, which is available to the enrolled candidates 24/7, so that they can view those lectures again and again if they face any kind of problem. And those lectures can be viewed at any time and as many times as they want. If you want to know more about our classes, you can also visit Services Classes website, or you can also visit the other videos of our channel to just get a glimpse of our teaching methods. Mock tests are very much required to understand the exam environment. So mock tests are basically taken to check how the candidates are preparing under our guidance. So that was all about how to take admission in this university and also about our classes, and that was all for today's class. Also, we are going to meet once again in our other classes.